Hello everyone, I'm here just to give you a sneak preview of tweeterena 2.2, which is virtually finished. I've been working on it quite a lot and it should hopefully be submitted to the App Store um, tonight. There's a couple of little bugs in it that I need to sort out and it will go onto the App Store tonight hopefully. Tweeterena, firstly before I go on, I want to just address a couple of things people are telling me about tweeterena 2.1, which has just been rolled out today. One issue people keep telling me is when you go into landscape view, the tweet that you're trying to send, it sometimes has an extra bar and it says tweet. It's not really a major issue because all you have to do is tap the tweet button and it will let you just send the tweet anyway. Again, it's not perfect, however, that is an OS 2 problem because it runs perfectly well on OS 3. In fact, I'll prove it to you now. I'm running OS 3 on my iPhone and yeah, it's back to front, but I will load tweeterena up, version 2.2, and if I tap on, there we go, if I tap on tweet, you can see straight away there's not a bar there. Let me just turn it sideways. It scrolled around and you haven't got that bar that pops down with OS 2.2. So I can go straight back and it's working fine on OS 3. So when you all update your iPhones whenever Apple releases OS 3, that issue will automatically fix itself. If you don't really want to put up with that, you can disable the landscape view by going into settings on the device. Anyway, tweeterena 2.2, here we go. Couple of changes. As you can see, if I load it up, at the moment we have themes. This one is now running the clouds theme. It's not the greatest view you've got there, but you can see it's pretty much the same, except the clouds actually move when you move your tweets on this version. You can see the clouds moving up. That's a feature of 2.2. But however, let me give you a sneak peek of the other themes we've got. First of all, some people, this glossy clouds view isn't really everybody's cup of tea. So I've included, let me go to it. If I go down into settings, where are we? There we are, tweeterena settings. And we can scroll down. We have more visual preferences in 2.2. You can see there themes. So this is difficult tapping your iPhone when you're not looking at it. If I tap on themes, and there you are, that's all the themes you'll have available in 2.2. You've got tweeterena cloud, tweeterena rainbow, tweeterena stars, tweeterena lights out, and tweeterena plain. So let me very quickly run through a couple of these. I'm going to first of all go to tweeterena rainbow. This is more, again, same sort of, similar to the clouds theme, except it's got a rainbow in. This is to tie in with the home screen that we've got in the icon on tweeterena. So some users might like this. If we reload the app, I'll get it eventually, there we go. And you'll notice, there you are, you've got the rainbow theme in the background, and again, the rainbow will move as you scroll. It applies this theme across everything, so if I wanted to go into somebody's profile, I don't know, let's tap this one, you'll see it's applied there as well. You've got the rainbow theme back, and it's also applied in the tweet view, which was a big challenge, but I've managed to make it work. Oops, I didn't want to send that. Never mind, it's gone. You'll see it again. There we go. You can see the rainbow theme, and again, turn the phone sideways, that's my clock. Turn the phone sideways, and the rainbow theme's also there as well. So, that's rainbow theme, which will be coming. Yep, turn around, thank you. And we'll close that, and I'll show you the next theme. So, let me go back to my home screen. tweeterena. No, I don't want that one. Settings. And I'll scroll down. Let's have a look. And the next thing I'm going to show you is, let's have a look at tweeterena Play. Okay, this is for people that just want a Twitter app that looks a little bit more straightforward, and hasn't got all the pictures in the background. And there you go, straight away you've lost the colour on the top. It's just the plain standard iPhone title bar colour. It still highlights the text. You can turn that off if you want in settings. And there you go, just a plain blue background, just a light blue. Every single tab, you go onto the tabs, there you go, plain blue. And of course the search tab, everything is pretty plain. Tweet, again, that's plain as well. So that is the plain theme. It's really difficult tapping your iPhone back to front. Okay, blame. And let me show you some of the others. Now, these next two themes I'm actually really pleased with. Thank you. Let's scroll down. Didn't want that. Okay. First one I'm going to show you is one of my favourites, and it's tweeterena Lights Out. Okay, this goes with the thing that Google's been doing. So occasionally they put lights out on their homepage. It's just really nice, and tweeterena is going to look a little bit different to what you normally expect. Here we go, let's load it up. This is tweeterena Lights Out. There we go, everything's black. Looks really professional look to it. So if you're somebody that's I don't know, uses Twitter for business, you don't want the clouds in the background, you've got this nice, just plain yet stylish black look to tweeterena, and it's applied throughout. Profiles, you can go into profiles, there you go, you've got the white text which has changed, and if you go into tweet, which is up there, again the tweet has got a black background, and when you text, there you go, the text is coming up in white text. All these things have to be programmed in. That's what I've been doing for this update. So that's tweeterena Lights Out. And the last one is probably one of my favourite themes. And let's go into it, settings. And this is actually a suggestion. A user contacted me and says, could we have tweeterena change themes depending on the time of day? Well, it doesn't change themes depending on the time of day, but you can change it yourself depending on the time of day. So if it's night time, you can always use, or whenever you want it, have it permanently if you wish, themes, and there's tweeterena stars, and this is one of my favourites. Let's go back and let's load it back up. There we go. And there you go, tweeterena stars, and again the stars move as you scroll through your tweets with your tweets. And also I've changed the colour of the when you get new tweets, it's like a nice blue, like a nice dark blue that fits really well with the themes. And then you go tweeterena stars, again that's applied across the board including the tweet view. There you go, you've got your stars in the background and the text is white, and of course it works in landscape mode as well. There we go. And that's it. Some people have mentioned in 2.1 why we've got two sets of buttons. Reason is it's easier to tweet with two sets of buttons in either hand, including your left hand. That was a feature that some people requested, and it's there. It also helps solve a few problems when flicking between landscape mode and going back. For instance, if I